The Baja 1000 is one of the most grueling, dangerous, and awe-inspiring races in the world. For decades, it has drawn some of the toughest drivers and most resilient vehicles to the desert of Baja, California. Every year, racers push the limits of endurance, speed, and strategy to conquer this legendary race. But what makes the Baja 1000 so unique? What does it take to survive the harsh desert terrain and become a champion? In today's video, we're going to dive into the history, the challenges, and the insane vehicles that make the Baja 1000 one of the most legendary races in motorsport. The history of the Baja 1000. To understand the magnitude of the Baja 1000, we have to take a step back into its history. The Baja 1000, originally known as the Mexican 1000, began in 1967. It was a vision of the off-road racing community to create a race that would take drivers across the rugged and unpredictable terrain of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula. The first race saw 68 vehicles line up, and although only 27 finished, the event marked the beginning of an off-road racing tradition. The Baja 1000 is unique not only for its long history, but also for its incredibly challenging course. The race spans over 1,000 miles, often across the harshest environments imaginable: deserts, mountains, dirt roads, and even the occasional rocky terrain. Over the years, the race has grown in prestige, attracting top-level drivers, manufacturers, and even celebrities who want to prove their mettle in one of the world's most grueling motorsport events. The terrain. What truly sets the Baja 1000 apart from other races is the brutal terrain. While most races take place on smooth, controlled tracks, the Baja 1000 course is anything but. Drivers face a wide variety of obstacles, including massive dunes, loose sand, rocky paths, and even steep mountain climbs. The ever-changing terrain means the drivers must adapt on the fly, making split-second decisions to navigate through the desert. But it's not just the terrain that makes the Baja 1000 dangerous. The weather can also play a significant role. Temperatures can reach soaring heights, and sudden rainstorms can quickly turn the dry desert into a slippery quagmire. These unpredictable conditions challenge both the drivers and their vehicles, testing their durability and performance under extreme stress. The vehicles. When you think about Baja 1000, one of the first things that comes to mind is the vehicles. These aren't your average street cars. These are purpose-built, high-performance machines designed to handle the toughest environments imaginable. There are several categories of vehicles that compete in the race, from trophy trucks to Class 1 buggies, motorcycles, and even ATVs. Trophy trucks are the kings of the Baja 1000. These off-road monsters are equipped with huge tires, powerful engines, and sophisticated suspension systems that can absorb the punishing terrain. With engines pushing over 800 horsepower, these trucks are capable of reaching speeds of over 130 miles per hour on the dirt. The suspension systems are designed to handle jumps, bumps, and extreme shocks, keeping the vehicles stable even at high speeds. Other vehicles like the Class 1 buggies are also engineered for off-road racing. These lightweight machines are smaller than the trophy trucks, but pack a serious punch when it comes to agility and speed. They can maneuver through tight corners and rough terrain with ease, making them a popular choice for the race. Each of these vehicles must be prepared to endure hours of punishment, and the crew behind the scenes work tirelessly to ensure that the vehicle can finish the race. The amount of detail that goes into building these off-road vehicles is mind-boggling, from custom-made frames to specialized shock absorbers and tires that can handle everything from sand to rock. The drivers are another critical part of the Baja 1000. These are not just racers, they are warriors in the desert, braving the harshest conditions and putting their lives on the line to finish the race. Many of the top drivers in the world cut their teeth on the Baja 1000, and some return year after year to chase victory. The race can take anywhere from 20 to 30 hours to complete, depending on the conditions and the team's performance. Because of this, many teams have multiple drivers, each taking shifts throughout the race. The baton is passed off at designated points along the course, often in the middle of the desert. These driver swaps are critical as they allow the car to continue without missing a beat, and it's where teamwork comes into play. Coordinating these transitions is a well-oiled process, and every second counts. But it's not just the drivers who make the Baja 1000 so demanding. The support teams work tirelessly behind the scenes to keep the cars in top shape From mechanics to fuel crews, the entire operation is crucial for success. Teams have to be ready for anything, whether it's changing a flat tire in the middle of the night or fixing a broken suspension. Every member of the team plays a key role to ensuring that the vehicle reaches the finish line. The strategy and tactics. While the Baja 1000 is undoubtedly a race of endurance, strategy also plays a huge role in determining the winner. Drivers need to know when to push the vehicle to its limits and when to conserve energy and parts. Racing too aggressively can lead to costly mistakes like blown tires, damaged suspension, or even engine failure. On the other hand, racing too cautiously could result in a loss of position or their inability to finish the race on time. Fuel management is another critical aspect, with the course being over 1,000 miles long. Racers need to plan fuel stops carefully. Some teams are able to complete the race in one go, while others need multiple refueling stops along the way. Timing these stops perfectly is a skill in itself, and it can make or break a team's chances of winning. The desert environment also requires unique tactics. Many drivers need to deal with limited visibility, especially during dust storms. Others have to contend with changing light conditions as the race often stretches into the night. This requires a different mindset and additional preparation, including specialized lighting systems and night vision technology. The challenges and dangers. The Baja 1000 is not for the faint of heart. The race comes with numerous risks, both for the drivers and their teams. With the extreme speeds, rough terrain, and isolation of the desert, crashes are a real danger. Over the years, there have been several accidents, some with serious consequences. The challenge of racing in such extreme conditions is immense, and many teams face mechanical failures, tire blowouts, or issues with suspension. A single mistake can result in the end of a team's race, but the risk is part of what makes the Baja 1000 so captivating. It's a race where survival is as important as speed. The Baja 1000 is more than just a race. It's a test of endurance, skill, and determination. Drivers, teams, and machines push the limits of what's possible in off-road racing. It's a battle against the desert, the clock, and the elements. And it's a race that has earned its place in motorsport history. Every year, it attracts the best of the best, all hoping to cross the finish line and claim victory in one of the toughest races in the world. If you enjoyed this look at the Baja 1000, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of motorsports. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.